Hello, friends. I'm Maggie, a graphic designer and miniature artist, and I'm so happy to have you here. I love creating tiny worlds, and in every episode, I share my passion and my crafts with you. You also get a free printable sheet so you can craft along with me. Welcome to my channel. Christmas is way over. I've already removed the winter decorations at home and now I'm going to remove the Christmas decor in the Barbie room so that it is ready for the Valentine's Day photos that I'm going to make for my new Etsy products. So I will take these books, the Christmas stockings, and those vinyl records. I have already designed new vinyl records that you will find as a free sheet in the video description, and we will make them later on this video. I will keep the record player, but I will remove the Christmas wreath and this banner as well. I will put over the fireplace these Valentine's Day inspired paintings that I made last year in the 7 quick Valentine's Day crafts video. I will link it down below in case you would like to take a look. I will use these double-sided foam stickers. I place them on the back of each painting, remove the protective layer and then attach them to the wall. Alright, I think this looks really clean and minimalistic. I like it a lot. Let's now clean that mess on the floor. I leave my kiddos to play with the room when I need to do some work, and they have already destroyed quite a lot of the miniatures, but I don't worry too much. Alright, I've put every item from the Christmas decor into this plastic container. Now I will continue with making this vintage Valentine's Day card set, which includes greeting cards, envelopes, and a box to keep everything in place. I've made a free sheet for you in both 112 and 1/6 scale. I've printed the card set on regular printer paper while I've printed the vinyl records on cardstock paper. Before I continue making them, I found more Valentine's Day items that I made last year, like these gift bags and boxes and these greeting cards. I will use them to decorate Barbie's work desk. I am also changing the Christmas pillows with these ones that I've also made in last year's Valentine's Day video. Alright, now let's start with this beautiful vintage card set. I've put together 6 greeting cards, 6 envelopes and a box. This is the 1/6 scale and this is the 1/12 scale. Both are printed on a regular printer paper. Okay, but before I start making them, I want to show you what the lovely doll my daughter received for Christmas from my dear sister. At first, I thought this was just a lovely doll, but this doll is actually very special and unique. I haven't seen anything like this sold in big stores. What is so special about this doll is that she is made entirely of fabric. She is not made of plastic. I was so impressed and inspired that I wanted to show her to you. She has long soft pink braids and her face is actually soft. Her legs are wrapped with cellophane so that she doesn't lose her boots, I guess, but I haven't unwrapped them yet since my daughter will definitely lose the boots. Another interesting feature is that her hair is attached to the head only in several spots, like a wig. And I guess that if you buy more dolls from this collection, you may be able to change their wigs and styles. I like her very much. However, what I would prefer for her is to have longer arms, maybe with a small bend at the elbows so that she can hold a bag or something else. Overall, she is very cute. Her name on the box is Valentina, and she will be my model for all my new Valentine's Day Etsy products. Okay, let's start by cutting out all the elements from the sheets. As you may guess, making the Valentine's Day cards is super easy. Just fold each one in half.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in
Now
the
for the envelopes, fold along the lines and apply a small amount of glue where needed.
and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is
For the box, I fold along the lines and apply glue to the side tabs, folding them inwards like this for support.
if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Do the same for the bottom of the box. Okay, I've made it off camera and now I will test if everything fits perfectly inside. Here are the envelopes and next I will put in the 6 greeting cards. Let's see if the box lid fits. Since I didn't wait enough time for the box to dry, it is still a bit wet from the glue and I accidentally deformed it. But you can't really tell since the lid is hiding the fold. This is the 1/12 scale box for all of you who work in this scale. It is so tiny and cute and I believe it will fit perfectly in your dollhouse. Now, let's move on to the Valentine's Day vinyl records. I've printed them on cardstock paper and cut out all the elements. For the vinyl records, you will need small sharp scissors, glue, a whiteboard marker or permanent black marker, and a ruler. Trace along the lines to ensure straight lines when folding. Apply glue to the tabs and fold the vinyl record cover in half. For the record itself, just glue the front and back together. If a white edge appears, use the black marker to hide it. Okay, I think it is ready and it slips perfectly into the vinyl record cover. Do the same for the rest of the records. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye!
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about.